So guys, welcome to my channel, The Sleeping Owl. If you did not subscribe to this channel, do subscribe and like the video. This is the 13-month income update. Okay, and I'm just using income school videos to write content and follow their lead, and also discovering my own ways to do things. Okay, so this is the 13 month, and let's see what I get. So as you can see, my month 13 will start from July 17 to 16th August. So I'm putting the data from these dates, okay, and the previous 30 days data. As you can see, this month I got 18,345 users, and previous month it was 14%, 14,723 people. So this month I got 24% increase in users. Okay, and same way 23% increase in page views. And last time I have 18k page views, and this time it is 23,355 page views. Okay, and the sessions are similar, 20k sessions this month, and last month it was 16k sessions. Okay, and now let's see the console data, Google console. As you can see, I got this month I got more impressions and more clicks, and the bump in average position. It's a small bump, but it's a good sign as well. This month I got less click-through rate. As you can see, last month I have 3.4, this month it is decreased. Okay, but still I got more page views, and impressions are also higher this month. Okay, and when you see this, that July 17 I is starting the month and ending the month with August 16th, then let me tell you that I started in from 17th July 2020, and I posted the first post in my website in 18th July 2020. As you can see the date, it was the first post posted. So I am putting the videos in not monthly but day by days, in 30 days period from where I start and end. So you guys get a clear picture of how much page views I get, and how much earning I got on these months. Okay, so moving on to the Ezoic earning, that is the, so this month I have premium. There is some problems, so I did not get the premium early. Okay, as you can see from here, 20k 20,863 visits I got, and I get $289.45 from Ezoic ad partners, and from premium it was 65. Okay, so total it was, I got $355 with EPMV $17. EPMV is 1000 page views. Okay, what amount I get from 1000 page views? So from the average I got 695 page views visits, and it got me $9.65. As you can see, the date also is 17th to 16th of August, 17th July to 16th of August. Moving on, I will be ignoring this income premium because I don't have the data, 30 days data, so I can't minus plus minus all those things. So I will be using this data only this month for my total earning. This is the Amazon affiliate. As you can see the date, July 17th to 16th August, 24.85 commissions I got, and the items were sold worth $771.96. It gave me $24.85 with a conversion of 10%. Okay, and some order are also not shipped, so it may increase, but don't worry, I will count only those which I got commission. Okay, so this is what I got. Okay, so let's move on to the total. So this is the 13 month. I have written in 13 months 146 post. It is very less. If you are following the 12 months or 13 months journey, then you have to write more post in 1 year than I have written. Okay, I guess in 12 months you will be putting 150 plus post, and this is now this is my 14 month from this day, start of 14 month. So post more meaningful post. Okay, so 146 post I have in my website. Okay, and from Ezoic you saw previously what I got. Amazon, other affiliates, yes, I have another affiliate program I have joined, and it made me $5.22 only. Okay, and now the total earning for this month, means 13th month, is $319.07, which is an increase in 5% of earning from previous month. Okay, so total till now I have made $1,155. Yes, crossed the 1000 mark in 13 month, and you can cross it early. Okay, so in 11th or 12th month I already said that in 16 month it is double. This amount would be double in 16 month. So let's see, will it happen or not. Means this 300 should be 1600. Okay, I am slowly gaining the momentum or traffic because I am writing all the content. I am not taking any content from the writers or from anyone. Okay, so I am putting my all the content by myself. So I am not going in a negative revenue thing. Okay, because I am not invested in, did not invested in this. I am not taking any post from writers or buying any content. Okay, I am also finding many more ways to monetize the site, and will start a new website in this niche again. Yes, and because this is profitable, I will start another in this niche, following another YouTuber, so which is profitable, then start it. Okay, because you have that knowledge, so you can start and go with the flow. You can start the site, and you are familiar with this niche. Okay, so you can start a website in this niche also. So we'll start the second site. I did not have time, so that is why not getting started. And I hope you like this video, and guys, do check the months, previous months of earning. Okay, there is lots of videos which can help a blogger, small blogger, who have already started the content, putting content on the website, and the security loops, and how, where to write the content, where to solve the mistake inside the content for free. Okay, how to do keyword research and everything else. So enjoy, guys, and do like if you want to like, do share if you want to share, and do subscribe if you want to subscribe. Thank you, guys.